99, our Hall of Famer of Football Life, Warren Sapp, presented by Chase, Tuesday at 9 Eastern. But guess what, folks? You don't have to wait till then because you can get a dose of Sapp right now. We have that for you with Sapp Sounds Off.
Thanks, Dan. We're going to get right to it and go right to the black hole, my old stomping ground, and Terrell Pryor. Oh, my goodness. Beep, beep, the road runner. Steeler defense, you ought to be shocked. Dick LeBeau is a Hall of Famer, just as I am, and a fellow classman. You cannot put this on his resume and look like that. The great Al Davis was right. Terrell Pryor can play. Oh, my, it's a basic play. The Autobahn I've been telling you about, and there's nobody that's catching him. That's a V12, that's a V6, a V4, a 4-cylinder right there. Okay, let's go over to caught off guard. Dallas